I came to this city as a young man. I had nothing, yet I had everything. The love and support of my brother Jagdev and my sister-in-law Rajinder. As an 18-year-old immigrant without much to my name, I had ambitions and dreams to build a better life in a new home. Dreams that sometimes seemed impossible. And today, because of you, because of everyone in this room, we have made the impossible possible. So my fellow Edmontonians, thank you for electing me as your mayor. And thank you to our volunteers, supporters. We committed to run a positive, optimistic, and inspiring campaign. We did it, and we did it together. This day is possible only because of your hard work. Thank you to my wife, Sarbjeet, and our daughter, Sirat. Public service has always been a family journey for us. Whether it was as a community volunteer, or a city councillor, or a member of parliament, or as a minister, it would not have been possible without my family being there with me and our friends being there with us. I also want to thank our current council and mayor for their service to our city. Also, thank you to all who stepped up to run in this election. Whether you ran for council or for mayor, your commitment to Edmonton is inspiring. And to all the people of our beautiful city, I know that these past few years have been tough. Many of you struggle to make ends meet. Many of you face racism and discrimination in our community. If you're a young person anxious about your future, if you're worried about the health and well-being of your loved ones, I see you and I hear you. And I'm honored with the privilege to lead us toward a new chapter with better days ahead. During these challenging times, it would have been easy to retreat from progress. But instead, we showed up for each other. We never gave up on optimism and hope, and we continue to build an Edmonton for all of us together. This is the Edmonton that I know, and that is the Edmonton I am passionate to lead. Together, we will create a thriving city for families, communities, and businesses, one with strengthened public services. We will move forward on reconciliation, taking meaningful action to address the needs and concerns of Indigenous Edmontonians. Together, we will tackle racism and discrimination on our streets and in our institutions. We will nurture arts and culture. In return, our arts and culture will nurture us. We will keep people working. We will grow and prosper and not leave vulnerable Edmontonians behind. We will build a sustainable and climate resilient city because we have the know-how to recover and grow and build an economy that will withstand whatever challenges we face in the years to come. So let's get to work. Let's build a city that's a place of opportunity for all. We all know it will be hard work. And the good news is, Edmontonians don't shy away from hard work. And for some of you watching tonight, I might not have been your first choice, but that's okay. Because at the end of the day, we are all Edmontonians. I want to assure you, I will be there for all of us. Also, let's remember, As we recover from the impact of COVID-19 pandemic, we need to be there for each other. And we want our provincial government to be there with us too. We want them to be there to fight the fourth wave of COVID. We want them to be there for us to end houselessness, to help support mental health, and to fight a drug poisoning epidemic that is claiming the lives of our neighbors, friends, and family members at a record and unconscionable rate. It must stop. We need our provincial government to be our partner. We must work together to make life better for Edmontonians. By working together, we will make our city stronger than before. We will build an Edmonton for all of us. And every day, every single day, I will show up and work hard for you. My name is Amarjeet Sohi. As a bus driver, councillor, and federal minister, I helped move so many people through this city. But tonight, I'm the one who's moved by this city. It is my profound honor to say that I am the next mayor of Edmonton, the city I love so much. Thank you.